Geo, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shut selector.
Next song we got is Geo Lyrical. The one named Last Cry. This one is requested by How It Go. Let's check it out, gang. See what I'm gonna deal with. Geo, this is my first time listening to Geo Lyrical. I'm not familiar with him. Drop some facts about Geo Lyrical. Anytime I request an artist, I'm gonna say, yo, I don't know much about them, gang. Make sure so drop some facts about them. As if I even like, yo, where they from, how they got in music, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And just to get caught up, and then I'll do my research on my own, obviously. Yeah, so, but it's my favorite, This is my first time listening to Geo Lyrical. This one entitled Last Cry, requested by How It Go. Let's check it out. Life from the way I see man about the cigarette, then I can't tell us a man stress out. So the one is gonna be a stressful song, bro. Come on.
Disaster.
Feel like I'm trying enough still.
No man, can't never try enough, man. You see me? Keep on trying till it work.
We just tired. I be a pain in my heart, and it's like me I feel every child. Blood clot. This I must be science. And I like me sit down, me I try hard. Me try work for myself, trouble follow. Me try.
Bro, I know you feel, bro, when you trying and feel like say nothing move or budge or make a
I like me sit down, me I try hard. Me try work for myself, trouble follow. Me try do 9 to 5, get fired. And me know say the devil is a liar, bro. But
That's a fact right there. Devil is definitely a liar, man. Nigga,
9 to 5, get fired. And me know say the devil is a liar, bro. But right now this is my last cry. Yeah, nobody ask me if my good now me not right. And nobody asks why. Cause right now this is my last cry. And if you don't know,
yeah, I mean, man, last some time, you know, you have to, yo, nothing wrong with crying, but you have to know when, if you know, say, yo, nothing wrong with crying, I should have tear or mourn, you know, but you have to know when enough is enough and when it's time to put in some action, you see me, yeah, man?
here then I saw it go. From a bad man poor me who hold it out. If me not get the love, me will go without. Right now this is my last cry. It's like me try all over and over again just to feel. Me sing messages for the world, them not hear me.
Jaja, man say let me try all over and over again just to feel, bro. Yo, don't think, you know what I'm saying? You gotta still stay positive. You see me? I say sometimes, you know where you go, man, if I try and make a way and some, you know, things look like in our way, but trust me, once you keep on putting your one foot in front of the other, you keep on moving, trust me, progress is being made, bro. One day I go, you know, just keep putting your foot one in front of the other, keep your head down, foot one. One day I look up and I go see how far you come. You see me, I won't believe it, man.
All over and over again just to feel. Me sing messages for the world, them not hear me. Just a try live my life, I'm nearly go jail. What the fuck you want from me? Give you no love, I wanna take me heart from me. And from me have it, you get it from your
So when I want from me, dog, me gonna love and take on the heart from me, dog. Damn, so then greedy, man.
from me. Give you no love, and I don't want loyalty. But right now, this is my last cry. Yeah, nobody ask me if my good now me not right.
Wow, my last cries, last tears me and shed. You see me last time getting upset. From here on far out. Yeah, you see me? Straight forward.
Nobody asks why. Cause right now this is my last cry. And if you don't hear, then I saw it go. From a bad man poor me who hold it out. If me not get the love, me will go without. Right now this is my last cry.
Yeah, man. Last time crying. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Yeah, man, you have to get up and you know, say, what the balling for? What the crying for? That don't make no sense, man. Yeah, man, no, that no more.
Last cry. Bro. One man can't carry the world. And me know why you love nobody sorry for me, girl. If me did full up of money, you would have happy for return.
Yo, dog no low key sound like 450. How am I tripping? A 450 or 10 tick. He sound like somebody that we just listened to. I don't cap to you.
Lone darkness, me kinda sorry for the world. Me just drink my Hennessy and smoke my medicine. Me try the death for them, but who gone dead for me? Mommy no worry, just go and say a prayer for me. Best believe when me say this right now, this is my last cry.
Dog sound like 450 to me. Say I'm lying, gang. You sound like somebody with just blood clean. Listen to Mansa Musa. Big up yourself. To your man.
Ask me if my good now, me alright. But nobody asks why. Cause right now this is my last cry. And if you don't hear, then I say go. From a bad man, poor me hold it out. If me not get the love, me go
Do it out. To your man. Yeah, man, we get the love, we do it out, man. To your man.
right now this is my last.
Poor, I hold it out, you know. Yeah, man. Shout out to Geo Lyrical, Last Cry. That's what's up. Yeah, man. Bad tune. Yeah, man. How it go? Yeah, man. That was a good request, my G. Yeah, man. That was a dope track. Shout out to you. Yeah, people were saying he sound like 450. I just said that. Yeah, man. The man sound like 450, man. I just said that, yeah. I'm like, this man sound like 450. I'm like, he sound like somebody we just listened to. Just listened to a while ago. Yeah, man. Dope track, man. And he definitely has potential. So, Geo Lyrical, I dropped that like a couple months ago, like a month ago or two, and it's like 190k subs. Plays, views. So, yeah, man. Keep it up, man. Geo Lyrical. We're gonna keep an eye out for you, my G. Yeah, man. And gang, remember, keep me reminded about them new artists. You have to remind me sometime. You see me I say, you see that I'm too focused on like cool boss already. Try to remind me that the new artists them. We keep in and check back in with them, man. You see me? Yeah, man. So that was Geo Lyrical. Last Cry. Dope ass song, man. You gotta know when that time for you know, ain't nothing wrong with crying, like I'm saying. You can't shed that tears or grief, where you gotta know when enough is enough. You gotta stop that crying, stop that mourning, stop that grieving. When you gotta get out your feelings and go get it. You know what I'm saying? Go get shit done. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So that is the Last Cry. What we got next?